Hey up guys, it's Dave, writing 41 songs, 41 days. Today's song number 33. There's no plan of action today. I've just literally sat down with the guitar and played a couple of chords and started humming some ideas, and it's ended up turning into a song. Let's get cracking. Okay, so I'm literally just writing a song. I suppose I was thinking like Damien Ricey type of thing. Really simple. C sus2. Same again. And as I was doing that, I just started singing you, me, happy. You, me, happy. You, me, happy. Most of the time, the world might be against me. Sometimes I like it when this happens, because sometimes songs just kind of just come to you just because you're just enjoying putting stuff together. Like, I don't know, this might end up being crap, but I'm just really enjoying just going. You, me, are happy most of the time. The world might be against me sometimes. We got everything we need in life. The world might be against me sometimes, but I don't mind. You're by my side. Oh, this is it's such a lovely little love song, isn't it? I feel like I've got something going. Everything's better 'cause we chose each other. I know we can take on anything together, and 'cause we have each other. I know I'm home with you. I'm home. I think that kind of works. I think there could be some refinement. Okay, so I fed off that first verse, and okay, let's just see if this works. So I've got you and me happy most of the time. Sometimes, as long as we're getting, as long as we getting by, we've got everything we need in life. So I think I've got a bit of a bridge. Life can be hard sometimes, but it's easy with you by my side. Together for the rest of our lives, got everything we need in life. So it's a simple little love song, really. Even though I'm doing this challenge where I'm trying to write all of these songs, it doesn't mean that every time I pick up the guitar I'm trying to write a song or make a video. But this is just one of those times where I picked up the guitar, started humming an idea while I was playing some chords, and it's turned into a song. I've done a demo version of it. It's on the screen now. Please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you tomorrow.